Is your Fire TV randomly shutting down? You're not alone. This frustrating issue affects various Fire TV models, including the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and Fire TV Cube. Today we'll explore the main causes behind these unexpected shutdowns. There are 4 primary causes behind Fire TV shutdowns: auto sleep settings that activate after periods of inactivity, power supply problems, especially when using TV USB ports, overheating protection mechanisms, and software conflicts that can destabilize the system. The most common cause is the auto sleep feature. By default, Fire TV automatically goes to sleep after 20 minutes of inactivity. To fix this, navigate to Settings, then Display and Sounds, then Display, and finally Sleep. Change the setting from 20 minutes to Never to prevent automatic shutdowns. Power supply issues are the second most common cause of shutdowns. Many users power their Fire TV through their television's USB port, but this often provides insufficient power. The Fire TV requires a stable 5-volt, 1-amp power supply. Always use the original Amazon power adapter plugged into a wall outlet for reliable operation. Also, inspect your cables regularly. Damaged or degraded cables can cause power interruptions, leading to unexpected shutdowns. Replace any cables that show signs of wear, fraying, or damage. Overheating protection can also cause shutdowns when the device reaches 65 degrees Celsius. Ensure proper ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance around your Fire TV. Software conflicts from corrupted files, app issues, or outdated firmware can also trigger unexpected shutdowns. In the next section, we'll cover advanced troubleshooting techniques to address these and other complex issues. Now that you understand the main causes, you're ready for the advanced troubleshooting techniques that will help you resolve persistent Fire TV shutdown issues. The first and most common fix is adjusting your Fire TV's sleep timer settings. Navigate to Settings, then Display and Sounds, then Display, and finally Sleep. Set the sleep timer to Never, or extend the timeout period to prevent automatic shutdowns. This single change resolves nearly half of all Fire TV power issues. Next, manage your HDMI CEC settings. This feature allows your Fire TV to communicate with your television's power management, but it can sometimes cause conflicts. Power supply issues are the second most common cause of shutdowns. Always use the original Amazon power adapter with at least 5 volts and 1 amp output. Inspect your power cable regularly for damage, fraying, or wear. Replace cables that are over 2 years old, as they can degrade and cause power delivery issues. Overheating is a critical issue that triggers automatic shutdowns as a safety measure. Your Fire TV needs proper ventilation to prevent thermal throttling. If problems persist after trying these solutions, a factory reset can resolve stubborn software conflicts. This should be your last resort, as it will erase all your settings and downloaded apps. Remember that factory reset resolves 82% of persistent shutdown issues, but you'll need to reinstall your apps and reconfigure your settings afterward. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, adjusting sleep settings, managing power delivery, ensuring proper cooling, and performing a factory reset if needed, you can resolve the vast majority of Fire TV shutdown issues and enjoy uninterrupted streaming.